ハイパースピードメディア。
Hi, I'm Cody Turner. It's my '07 Chevy Colorado, Extreme Edition, lower 2 inches. Yeah, this kind of just happened. I bought it, the motor blew up, everybody at my work said put a V8 in it, and I was like, okay, you know.
So Cody, what is this engine again?
It's out of a '05 Cadillac Escalade. It's
Okay.
called the LQ9, and then I changed the cylinder heads, the camshaft. It's got a Holly Terminator computer, and other than that, it's got a 4L60 trans, and the rest is stock to the truck, how it came from the factory.
Right. And so to mount this, you have to make a custom engine mount, or
Yeah, you can make a custom engine mount, or you can buy a couple different companies sell just the engine mount. But
Okay.
other than that, you kind of have to piece it together, finding what parts fit, what parts don't fit.
Right.
A lot of trial and error.
Okay.
Yeah, really.
What was the name of that camshaft you said again?
Oh, it's got a Truck Norris, Brian Tooley Truck Norris camshaft. That's
Truck Norris.
some of the reason I got it.
Yeah.
Too.
Just for the name, huh?
Yeah.
And you know what's cool about it? It looks like factory, dude. Like most people that don't know wouldn't notice that you had an engine swap in here, you know?
Yeah, it came with an inline 5-cylinder, and that
Right.
apparently blew up around 120,000.
Hmm.
It's lowered 2 inches.
Okay.
I changed the tire size, so they're not the stock tire sizes, but that's to accommodate the lowering it. And then
Right.
the back has a notching in the frame. If you want to follow me on Instagram, it's improvs. Just hit me up anytime.
ハイパースピードメディア。